What about it? Jimmy
guys, we have a problem. The compressor.
It's not compressing.
The compressor is not compressing anymore. I don't know what the problem is. Dave is trying to fix it here. The compressor is not working. We don't even know what's happening. So Dave is trying to fix it. He tried to take out some liquid from here, and I don't know what's happening now. Like to clean it. It's making a weird sound, and it's not pumping pressure to the staple gun, or maybe just pumping pressure.
Ona Jimmy Iji, Chona Kaman Jimmy, even personal gates. But you know, Saka each, no, you have spirit of Jagaf, each kind of wounds managing Jagaf. Then get done with that. Who's been in the English with them? What about it? Jimmy Rajira and Nifut. Chichaka by easy.
Did you try eating green? I think it in it. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it's actually a sad morning for us. Our air compressor isn't working, and we were actually busy with a client's order that needs to be delivered today. It was actually needed this morning, but unfortunately we couldn't finish because the air compressor isn't working anymore. It just stopped working last evening, so Dave is trying to fix it. We don't know what the problem is because it's making a weird sound, and it's not pumping some air anymore. So we don't know what the problem is. If you know more about air compressors, please let us know more. Maybe you can help us. So this is the gauge, and it's not even moving when the air compressor is on anymore. But Dave is saying this should be working. This is the pump, so we don't know where the problem is. And he also tried to clean this tank, the liquid that was in the tank, so he had to unscrew down here and remove all the dirt that was inside. So he tried that, and he had to pump in air again to clean up, and he cleaned again. But still, guys, the problem is still there. So we don't know. We are just keeping our fingers crossed that whatever he's going to try, it works. If not, we have to rush and buy a new one, and that's an expense that we were not looking forward to. But well, in business, things like this happen. So let's hope everything is going to work out. I hope you're going to enjoy today's video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share the video with your friends and family. Yeah, let's see what
14 years with you. 14.
Maybe. Guys, it's sounding normal now, but still not working, so we don't even know. They're still trying. Let's see what happens.
unonobata fena chisidonge zisingangotenderera chete
ndo zvairi kuita manje iri kutenderera sana
kusupport right. Enda uku mbijano bijan and then up yeah no one stop kuoneka zvekudaro chinhu chine pachiri kubatirira pakanosho chinobatirira pachipatiri.
This air compressor, it's pumping air, but the air is not going in the pipe. We don't even understand what's going on.
Whether you have or not.
Of this short live stream, I don't know if anyone is actually watching. Guys, the compressor failed to work, so we are going to buy a new one. So come with us to buy a new air compressor.
That means that even by English
oh,
what I'm saying is
hi guys, we are now at game store. I don't know why I always say game store, and yeah, let's look for the new air compressor. I've been climbing those short stairs and I'm actually breathing hard. Is that nani kakopi? Where is it? Yeah, Funza.
I'm looking for an compressor. I don't know what I'm saying.
Compressor. Like we say air compressor was for the tools.
The big one, yeah.
Oh, it's for the tool section in front was.
You always you always show me that thing. We can't take it again.
Yes. So it was.
Thanks. TV vatinotsvaga TV yacho.
Okay, someone is showing us where the air compressors are.
So we've got 2 left for
Is this Mac Africa? Yeah,
2,199.
I think that's the one that I'm looking for.
50 liter, it's a 3-piece kit. So you get your hose, your air brush, and air gun you get with it.
Oh, okay. Why does the box look so big?
It's huge.
Because the tank is also big. The tank is about that size already in it.
Do you have the Ryobi?
No, sir.
Oh, okay.
We used to have it, but that was just like this.
Oh,
It's small.
small one. Okay. That's fine. I'm going to
Give
take
you a
this
trolley?
one. I didn't even think about the trolley.
How is he going to?
One and a half.
Yeah, sure, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we are here. We are going to get this compressor here. It's a 50 liter. So this is how it looks. Yeah, so we are getting that one and unbox together.
Oh, that's huge.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Open this
Okay. You want anything else?
No, that's it, thank you.
Says very big compressor. And where's the Nash? It's fine, you can go this way.
It's closed.
Show them the Nash. Saka ndabvunza kapedokero ngoruziva zvawokuita. This way. Una museri kwako.
Hey guys, we got the air compressor. We are now at Checkers and we are buying some lemons. No, she wants the cheaper one.
You also want it.
Okay. Lemons and a few stuff groceries. Woo! Accident.
Want a chicken pot pie?
Chicken. I want to cook this chicken pot pie. Do you remember that here and I once made this. I'm going to try it again at home. Chicken pot pie. Look at this. Delicious. Just pamberi pemota. Ufamba pamberi pemota. Hey guys, we are back from the shop. We did buy the new air compressor, so we want to unbox. Yeah, so let's unbox together. So I'm with Dave. Dave is going to be opening the box, or me, or see. Let's do this. Are you going to open? Hold the camera. Carapas, you can sit. As long as you see me in the frame, if you want to get out. Okay? Okay guys, so this is the compressor. It's 50 liters and it says DIY Pro. So this is for our small furniture. This is for our small furniture upholstery business. We operate from home. And if you are new, maybe you didn't see what happened. We had our old compressor that just decided not to work anymore. So we had my charit film.
So
All right. So we had our old compressor that we were using, and it just decided not to work anymore. And we were actually working on a client's chairs that she needs today. So we had to rush and buy a new compressor. Dave, can you show them the box going downwards? So this is how it looks. This is how the box looks. Yeah. So the specifications here, right here, show them closer, please. It says compressor, 50-liter tank capacity, 1.1 kilowatt motor capacity. Okay guys, I don't think I'm going to read all this. You can just screenshot here if you want to know how this compressor, the specifications of this compressor. So let's unbox. I have my scissors here. Okay, let me get something, a small knife to, maybe the scissors can work. Okay, let me the phone, let me show them. So this is how it's looking when I open. Okay, I think this needs some muscles. What is this? Okay, there is this thing we're going to open. Or maybe we should open one by one. Okay, for the camera. So there is this thing in here. It has a smiley bag. Have a nice day. So cute. And inside there is this. It was on the box. It's called nylon spiral tube. This thing. Nylon spiral tube, and this is called a blow gun. I think to clean the compressor, because we also had this with the old one blow gun. We also had this also. So this is the pipe for this blow gun, to clean the compressor, those spaces that needs a small thing to go underneath or inside, and clean to blow the dirt away. And there is also this inflation gun. There's also this inflation gun. Let me show you how it looks. This is how it looks. So this inflation gun is used to pump in air on a vehicle wheels, or is it the right name, wheel? On vehicle wheels, yes. So if you run out of air on the car wheels, you pump with this. That's the use of this thing. But well, the air will be coming from the air compressor. Okay, let's open quickly here. The big thing, the main compressor now. I think Dave is going to help me with this one. Oh. We also have these. Oh, these are the wheels. These are the wheels for the air compressor. There you go. And it comes with a manual. Okay, so this is the manual. See? So this is how the compressor looks, guys. We're going to remove the plastic, and there's also these things here. These are the accessories that should go on the compressor, or maybe added to the compressor if we want to work with something else. So these are the accessories. So let's open. Let me open. Let me open. Give that scissors. So guys, there are so many things that you can use with the air compressor. We use the air compressor for our furniture reupholstery business, like I said, but you can actually use this air compressor for a lot of things that needs air compressor. For instance, you can use it for spraying. If you have paint that needs spraying, that needs an air compressor, you can use this type of air compressor, guys. So you use it for a lot of things, guys. In this small plastic, bring the camera closer, please. So in this small plastic, we have the oil for the air compressor. This is the oil for the air compressor. I'm sure you can see it. And this is the silencer. This is the silencer, so that the compressor won't be too noisy, because the air compressor makes a lot of noise. So this is the silencer. It helps to reduce the noise. And these are the small legs that are supposed to be here on the compressor. Can you please show them down here? They are supposed to be here. So we are going to put them there. So let's just open the plastic so that you guys can see nicely how it looks. Okay, so this is it. This is the new air compressor. Yeah, I hope it's going to save us well. It's just It looks good. It looks good. So we are going to show you again when we use it. We are going to show you again when we use it. Eta.
What you did?
But also that maybe it's the whole bottle.
Yeah, bro. Chocolate need to be a little bit more, but it's fine. You can use it like that.
This is the lid.
Abantu notice kuti motor iri pani that compressor is bigger than motor in.
Oh. Oh, could this one is smaller than that old one.
Saka zvinhu zvatino.
Profana ni one of these, eh?
So nditofunga zvandogona kuita watandipa kana ndaita big. Why does it have something moving inside? Should we very well? I don't know why does it have something moving inside.
Like this?
Okay. And they know that you screw.
Do I screw kana ndongorita kuita kuti ndonyera kana?
Zvinoenda nechine mathreads, kanye mathreads you screw it in, kana china mathreads muchindonyera. Chiri kupinda?
Yeah.
Saka unoita sei?
You screw it in. But ushkapapa mani?
Kusvika chisafambi. It's fine.
It's fine.
But it's chiri flexible ichi. Chiri kunoramba ichi. Saka zvinogona.
I think it's got this point.
Ngaramba uchiscrew.
I don't know what is the pop I don't find out which is your word.
Sims on my shoulder. Is it here?
Little bit. Oopsie.
Not because the budget so was several.
And Chloe.
Nanga kutozopisa Chloe akuimba. Ndataka kuimba ndine 2 years.
The Beyonce. Apana kasikatozita katanga ne 2 years isindi stage toziva takatanga ne 2. Not 2, 1 yanga kuita.
Tatanga kuimba asati akutaura.
Did we get everything?
Just put it in the box.
We are back in business. Hey guys, so we got the new compressor and we did all the fittings. So let's see if it's working.
Got your mommy. Mommy.
So guys, it's working well. You see here, that means it's full. The air is full. It started from here. That's why I was putting my finger like
from the bottom, now we top.
Yeah, it started here from the bottom. That's why you could see my finger going up here. So it's now full. So this one is actually bigger than our old one. This was the old one that just decided not to work. It was 24 liters and this is a 50 liter air compressor. Yeah. So we are back in business. We are going to finish off what we were doing. So guys, if you live in Cape Town, if you have your old couches, your old car seats, old chairs, bring them here. You can contact us. I'll leave the details in the description, or you can DM me and we can contact you and we'll sort you out. We make things new. We are happy to have this new compressor, stress-free, even though we had to lose our savings, but it is business. Hey, that's business.
This one is ancient technique. I made screwdriver in what it's fine. When you down go screwdriver. You go shine this and you go do you want this one. When the money gives it.
Oh.
Almost matching.
Kwa hiyo pipe yanga chiri also kana also na time azopedza zvinhu ndichiri wozovhura also napango chiti ndasiria. It's still fine, we can keep it.
Boss nyaya inenge iripo ndeyekuti but inenge yazofarira. In the event yekuti yafa, you can take that whole thing waisaba.
Oh.
Zvekuti at some point ndaitombofunga kuti
or we can sell it whatever.
Kuti ndiitengese munhanda igadzira. But why am I selling my compressor?
Amen.
Kokana ndakuzotaura history.
History yekuti.
This is where we started.
And now my videos to prove.
But we
We have the videos to prove.